Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and today we're going to be talking about the biggest mistake rookie truck drivers can actually make. That's right. If you're a rookie truck driver, you want to avoid this mistake because it could be the difference between you making a whole lot of money in this industry to you making absolutely nothing. Alright, so what is the biggest mistake as a rookie? One thing that we are great here is creating rookies, right? Because what is an actual rookie? Let's find that definition first. Just because you actually have a CDL license means that you're legally able to drive a tractor trailer. But that does not mean that you have years of experience and you're now a veteran truck driver. You are now in that rookie phase, right? So just because you are a professional athlete doesn't mean that you can't be a rookie and a professional athlete at the same time, if you think about it that way, right? So just because license does not mean that you know everything that there is to know about trucking when you come right out of school. Everything is the same no matter what industry that you're in. When you graduate college with an MBA, doesn't mean that you're the best business person in the world the day after you graduate. There's something about experience that's going to teach you a whole lot of things. So the biggest mistake a rookie can actually make when they actually get started in this career is forgetting that they're a rookie. Now, what do I mean by that? So a lot of people might be thinking, okay, I have my license, I'm a professional now, I'm able to do anything that a veteran can do, and what actually winds up happening is you start skipping some steps in the training that we trained you on, and you start making some silly mistakes. So when it comes to being a rookie, it's okay, embrace the rookiness because you're still in that learning phase once you actually start driving a tractor trailer for yourself or for a company for the very first time. There's things that you're not going to learn in school that you're going to see out in the real world that we simply can't show you everything, right? So different things that big rookie mistakes can actually be made is going to be when you start getting too relaxed and stop actually paying attention. So as an example, you ever see one of these things over here? That's right. That is probably a rookie who forgot that he was a rookie. He was driving down and all of a sudden the bridge was too low. He forgot completely to check what was going on and his brain was not out there and boom, he ran into the bridge. That's one silly example. Now if you do that early in your career, you can pretty much kiss your career goodbye unless you have a really good story to tell the next person and hopefully everything kind of works out. But if you understand that you're a rookie and you do things like, okay, I'm backing up into this dock, let me get out and look a few different times. Now, let me not try to get my ego in the way. Let me just actually make sure that the product gets there safe and there's no damage to the vehicle at all. And if you actually do that for the first 6 months while you're working, maybe the first year, then you're going to give yourself the foundation that you need to have a very long career here to make as much money as possible. So I hope that this definitely helped you out. When you're a rookie, understand you're a rookie. You don't know everything yet. So make sure you take your time and actually do things. So that means make sure you're always checking your routes, looking for weigh stations, making sure that you're watching bridge heights, making sure that you're not going down roads that are overweight because that's going to be an extremely big fine. And then also make sure when it comes to driving, make sure you're keeping your proper distance. Remember, you're not driving a car, you're driving a tractor trailer. It takes a lot longer to actually come to a complete stop driving a tractor trailer. And then when it comes to actually doing your pre-trip inspection, make sure you keep doing that. When it comes to backing up into a dock, make sure you're actually getting out of the vehicle. Check when you can't see something. Don't just assume, because then you're going to damage your truck and potentially, even worse, damage the truck right next to you. So it's definitely something that you want to avoid at all costs and make sure that you embrace the rookiness until you're not anymore. Hope this video helped you out. If you want to make sure that your rookie mistakes are as least as possible, then I recommend going to the best truck driving school in the whole country, which is Driving Academy. I invite you to go check out our website at CDLDrivingAcademy.com and see any of the locations that are closer to you and we're able to help you out. Again, that's CDLDrivingAcademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.